So the real question is, how much money can I make from these four 1992 Corvette wheels? What's going on, guys? Thank you for tuning back into the video. Today I have a set of four 1992 Corvette wheels that I got for $100 on a deal. Guy bought a brand new set of them for his 1992 Corvette OEM, brand new, spent a crap ton of money, and he's like, you know what, I don't want these wheels, $100 are all yours. I'm like, sounds good to me. I took them, I'm gonna clean them up, and I'm gonna show you guys how much money I can make just from flipping them and trading them just like that. All right, so here's the plan. Gonna give these wheels a quick wash. As they're drying, I'm gonna clean out my shed, but I'm gonna give these a quick wash, show you guys how they come out. All right, so the rims are nice and washed. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up some work in my backyard. I'm gonna let these dry, and they're not perfect, but they did come out so much cleaner than they were before. There is still some like dirt, like residue left on the tires, which is okay, but they're a hell of a lot cleaner than they were before, and they'll look a lot better in pictures than they were. As you can tell, they're a lot shinier. So I'm gonna go ahead and let these dry. Then I'm gonna take some really cool pictures of them and post them on Facebook Marketplace or wherever I can. All right, so I went ahead and I took my beauty shots of the rim. They are clean, they are semi-dry, they're dry enough. So I'm gonna post them on Facebook Marketplace, and I'm gonna wait and see how I'm gonna, what I'm gonna get for some offers. I'm not looking for top dollar. I just need quick money, quick trades, quick flips. I'll trade them for a set of wheels that are worth a lot more. But I'm just looking to sell them really fast, not looking to make a huge profit on them. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and post them. So I'll be back with you guys when I get a couple of offers, or maybe I get an offer right away. Who knows? What's going on, guys? Gino from the future. And yeah, a little bit in the future. Man, I need like a new hair. My hair gets so frizzy. All right, but anyways, so I ended up selling the wheels. So a little bit of backtracking. I bought the wheels for $100. I ended up selling them for $280. So I made a profit of $180. So I probably took me about less than a week to sell them, maybe like 3 or 4 days, 4 days tops. I'm not too sure. It was a little while ago, but yeah, I completely sold those wheels. I also got my Mustang wheels. I sold those quick, and I got a set of Motegi wheels I got for $100 that I'm now selling for $200. So if you can just keep getting wheels at a really cheap price and keep selling them at a really quick price, if you can sit on them, go ahead. But it's better to take in more wheels fast and sell them really fast than have to take in a wheel and try to sell it for top dollar and end up sitting on it for a month or two. So thank you guys for watching. I did make a profit. You guys can go ahead and do this too. It's really quick and easy and simple. If you know you can make money off the wheels, go ahead and get them for cheap, then go ahead and sell them. Take care. God bless. I'll see you guys in the next episode.